Wow, my name is Dennis Song. I'm right there in Abijo to show you property that you love. Even inside the rain, I'm here to show you this property. It's right in Abijo, just close to Corona School. It's in Abijo GRA. I will take you around the whole estate so that you can choose the one you want. Whether I want the terrace or you want a semi-detached. I will let you know what we have in stock in this estate. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, do that now so that I don't miss any of my video. I'm right here in Abijo, and this estate is called the Imperial Garden, right in Abijo. Imperial Court, just like the name implies, is an estate, luxury estate, but in an affordable price. It's actually located in Abijo, very close proximity to the express and close proximity to a fantastic neighborhood. For example, you're looking for school, there's Corona School close by. We have the Sky Mall close by. We have the Shoprite Novare Mall close by. We have the Imo Resort for relaxation. You understand what I mean? Apart from that, this estate will come with green area, portable water, perimeter fencing. It will come with lights, street lights, drainage system, electricity, 24 hours security. The part I love so much about this estate is you can buy and close your eye. It has C of O, which means you can even use to collect collateral because it has a title that is recognized, which is C of O. What can you get in this estate? This estate, what we are selling here is just houses alone. We have 3-bedroom, fully finished house, semi-detached duplex, and it comes with BQ. We have 4-bedroom terrace, and we also have 4-bedroom, fully finished semi-detached, and it comes with BQ. Just 3 sets of houses we have in this estate, and you can get it as a semi-finish or as a finished apartment. And there's payment plan up to 12 months. You can pay 0 to 6 months, or you pay 0 to 12 months. For the 3-bedroom fully finished semi-detached duplex with BQ, it goes for 49 million now. That is for the 0 to 6 months. Then for the 12 months, it's just 50 million now. Then for the 4-bedroom terrace, for 0 to 6 months, it goes for 41 million now. Then the 12-month payment plan goes for 42 million now. For the 4-bedroom fully finished semi-detached duplex with BQ, goes for 52 million now, and the 12-month payment plan goes for 53 million now. And what you just need to do is just pay an initial deposit of 20% only, then spread the payment based on the payment plan you want, whether 6 months or 12 months. And another good part is this: you can either decide to pay monthly or quarterly. It all depends on you. The payment plan is flexible to suit your style of payment. Just like I said earlier, there are a couple of places that have very good close proximity to this estate. It's the Corona School, the Eco Atlantic, the shopping mall, which is Novare Mall, the Sky Mall, the Imo Resort, and several other. There are several other estates in this locality. And when you pay, you will get an offer letter. You will get a contract of sale receipt. So what you need to do is to pick your phone and call Genesis Song. Let me bring you to this estate. Let me give you one secret. You can actually buy now. When the house is completed, you can sell and you make massive profits. So even if you don't want to live in these houses, or you don't have intention of living in these houses, you don't have any intention of, just turn it to an investment portfolio. Buy now and sell when it is finished, and you're going to make huge amount of profit. Give me a call. Let me bring you to these houses. Let me show you the opportunity. There are so many opportunities you can benefit from this, buying into this property. And the good part is the house will be done to taste, to international standard. good drainage system that you will enjoy. That whether you're living or you're using it for business purpose, you will enjoy it. Mind you, like I said earlier, there will be green area, potable water, perimeter fencing, street light, drainage system, electricity, 24 hours electricity, and you will love this. You can get your 3-bedroom fully finished semi-detached duplex with BQ. You can get your 4-bedroom fully finished semi-detached plus BQ. You can get your 4-bedroom fully finished terrace. Give me a call. I want to bring you to this estate. My name is Dennis Sesson, and what I do is to give you property that I know will appreciate very, very, very fast. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, do that now so I don't miss any of my video.